This dance is Cinderella, choreographed by E.W.S. Winson and Adeline Cheng. It's 48 count 4 line dance. And I'm showing you the version that we do in San Diego, which is to the song Dirt Road Disco, which has different restart from the original Cinderella music. Section 1, starting with the right foot, kick, forward step, twist heels, left back to centre, hitch left, walk back, left, right, coaster cross. Section 2, point right to side, bump hips, bump and bump, behind side cross, point left to side, bump hips, bump and bump, behind, quarter turn right, step forward. Now facing 3. Section 3, cross rock, recover, side rock, recover, cross, side, heel, and cross rock, recover, side rock, recover, cross, side, heel, and. Section 4, make a quarter turn left, step right to side over 2 counts to hip roll a big circle from left to right, tapping left to side. Then roll it back again, a big circle to the left, turning to face 3 and tapping right. Right, coaster, step, shuffle forward, left, right, left. Section 5, hitch, Turn a quarter right, step right to side, point left to side. Quarter left, stepping on left. Half left, stepping back and right, sweeping left from front to back. Make another quarter turn left, behind, side, cross, shrug shoulders, ball cross. Last section. Side rock, recover and side rock, recover and side, pop knees together, cross, unwind a 3/4 turn to the left, weight ends on left, and you're facing 9, and you start over. Now let's go over the dance for the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. When we dance to Dirt Road Disco, there is one restart on wall 3 after 16 counts. So let me show you 16 counts of wall 3. Wall 3 starts facing 6 o'clock. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6. I'm not going to make the turn, I'm going to keep facing 6 o'clock, 7 and 8. This is the end of 16 counts, and you restart the dance facing 6 o'clock. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5, 6, 7 and 8. And that's the whole dance.